a confirmation, and so then we could enter these market shorts on a retrace. All right, before this market gets into the next potential level. And one of these levels will be 1919. All right, so let's do a quick time check. I'm gonna start a summary for this review right now. So we started from the euro dollar, and we commented on today's mayhem here. This market initially moved lower to retest previous lows from 110.50. This was the signal and positioning of algorithms we identified before the facts 3+ days before, and the market moved lower accordingly. And after that, Draghi has talked the euro dollar higher, and we're going to see now, very probably, we're going to see a continuation higher into previous highs, at least, if the market respects the level that I gave you here. I gave you the 111.40 here to watch. This market could be tested tomorrow or on Monday. And if it tests successfully, it's going to push price higher into 113.16. We reviewed, of course, also the US dollar Japanese yen. It was asked during this video whether we're going to see 111. That's very possible at the moment. And it will all be decided whether that area from the euro dollar that I showed you before will hold or not. If we'll hold, there is still a hope to see this market into 116.34. If not, this market could break the lows, and in that case, we have to capture this market in a different way, because I believe this market is going to move into 170. I also commented on the other two major related to the euro that I follow, the euro Australian dollar, as well as the euro Canadian dollar. And this market, what I mentioned is that the euro Australian dollar, it's to me, it's still a short. We just need to find what is the resistance level. And I showed two resistance levels, one of the weekly 150.60 and one on the daily 151.40, that could actually contain this price and reverse this price again. The euro Canadian dollar, it's a little bit more bullish because it has tested for the second time a weekly level, and I see this market at least moving into 151.60. After that, we briefly comment on the Australian dollar US dollar, which is still bullish. It's not a short. It's going to be a long at 0.73 over 74 here, and it's going to be a short only if we break the 0.7360. All right, so I'm going to look for a long in this market next week or tomorrow. If we test this level, hopefully we're going to get an opportunity to trade this market long on Sunday evening for a test of this level, and hopefully a risk-free trade in this market, which is the only thing that we are looking for. Finally, we close with the dollar index, and we show that the dollar index was the only clue for a continuation lower. In fact, the dollar index was trading already a short here, which was actually confirmed today after retest of the level, the 98.10, and the SP 500. Unfortunately, the SP 500 also stopped us out today because of that jerky move that was actually imposed or generated by Draghi. And what I'm looking for in this market is a retest of this 90.66 and then a continuation, possibly continuation higher. If the 19.59 is on the downside, we're going to see a move lower, and we're going to short a retest to see whether this is the start of the bear market or just a retrace before a continuation higher. All right. So guys, thanks a lot for being here. I hope this was interesting. I hope this was useful too, because the whole purpose of all this is not to talk about the market, but to give clear direction of what could happen next. I love doing that. I love doing that for myself, for my own trading, as well as to help other traders, or to steer based on the way I look at the market, to steer you in the right direction. I think that a lot of these considerations are really helpful to actually position ourselves in advance in a direction which is very often is a high probability direction for the market. I also want to remind you that I will start recruiting for. I already started recruiting for my next session of the coaching program, which is going to be in May, and it's going to be self-study first, 14 live webinars, one per week, starting from May, and then a consolidation period in which I'll have you also participate into my private room, where we put everything together, and I show the timing, and I show how all these concepts work together to give us finished trades as well as profitable trades. So if you're interested, by all means, you can take advantage of the offer that FS Trade is giving here. There is a box above the video. If you're interested, let me know, and if you need more information, just contact me. I'd be happy to provide all the information you need. That said, I want to wish you, it's Thursday today, so I want to wish you a great weekend, a rest after this week was very, very long week, tough, not really a lot besides today, but it is what it is. Whenever we are stopped out from risk-free trades, I pat myself on the back and say, you did it right, and the market did not behave as you are anticipating. But whenever you get a risk-free trades, it's good. So thank you, everyone. Thanks, Lauren. Thanks, Todd. And manage risk well, everybody, and happy peep hunting for sure. You're very welcome. Enjoy your weekend all, and have a great weekend. And to everyone, thanks for being here. Peter, Mervin, Todd, Lauren, LP, Lee, hi Lee, Joe, Desi, hi, Fib Stalker, which is me actually, Gary, Roland, Pankai, Adinda, EDGFX, and Jax. You have a great weekend, and I'll see you as usual on Sunday. I will see you to start the review of another interesting week. Every week is interesting, basically. And I'm going to see you on Sunday at 7 p.m. Then you enjoy your weekend and rest, and have a great day tomorrow. Okay. BOJ will be next week, it's going to be interesting. We're going to see how Japan is going to respond in a way to the Draghi moves, if there is anything that I can do actually. All right, so thanks a lot, and again, I'll see you on Sunday, 7 p.m. If you like the show, tweet about it, retweet my messages, retweet whatever tweets about it. If we do that, we can keep the show. We can keep doing this analysis. We can keep high the exchange and conversation, and any questions you might have. I never shy away from answering questions. I always like to be challenged, because when someone is challenged is when someone can actually learn something. It's not about defending my views, it's about learning as well and objectively observing these markets. So thanks a lot, and have a great one. Bye-bye now.